Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix contact sync error on Android. There are two contact sync settings on Android phones. The first is Google Contact Sync, where the phone numbers stored in the Google account will be displayed on your phone. Then the second is Device Contact Sync, where if activated then the phone numbers will be automatically saved in the Google account. So, how to solve contact sync error on your phone? Or how to enable sync on Android phone? Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the settings. And then scroll down. Tap Google. Tap All Services. Scroll down and tap Google Contact Sync. Tap Status. If Google Contact Synchronization is disabled, tap here to activate it so that all contacts in your Google account will be displayed on your phone. And then, if you want to save all contacts to your Google account, you need to enable Device Contact Synchronization. So, tap Also Sync Device Contacts. Enable Automatically Backup Sync Device Contacts. Then choose which Google account will be the place to save contacts from your device. Automatically all numbers on your phone will be backed up to the Google account. That's the tutorial on how to fix contact sync error on Android. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.